Today we're doing a different kind of video because we just got to Brussels, Belgium, and it was a travel day, laid back. We didn't really film anything else, so we're going to show you what we've packed for our year of travel and how we've organized it all in our bags.
We're not going to go over everything we specifically have, but in the description below we'll have links to everything we use and you can check it out there. Let's get into it!
Our bags. So this is all that we take with us everywhere we go. We each have an away carry-on suitcase, and we each have our own personal bag.
We'll tell you more about that in a second. So we'll start with the away bags. These bags have been super awesome so far. First, they're a really good seat.
That's amazing. If you're at a train station or at the airport and there's no seats open or it's just like super crowded, you can just sit on your bag.
Always convenient. We even sat in the aisle of a train one time because all the seats were taken, so. Second thing is it comes with this little battery. If you choose to get the battery, it just pops out a little good portable charger.
And it usually lasts us like 3 charges for our phone.
Yeah, like 3 or 4 full charges.
Yeah,
pretty nice.
So it's awesome.
Next thing is it has this little locking mechanism on top, and it's really nifty just to keep your stuff really safe and secure, and it works really well.
Another great part about the away luggage bags are the wheels. They're super durable. We've like dragged them across cobblestone and everything, and they're still holding up great. And it's 4 wheels, so you can just drag it however you want it. It is so easy to push or pull behind you,
yeah.
Whatever.
But for real, the cobblestone streets and the gravel and everything, these wheels have not stopped, not slowed down at all. So, super durable bag.
Very happy with our away bags.
Very happy. It was actually a wedding registry gift because we knew that we were going to start traveling. So, very convenient if you have a wedding right before you start full-time travel.
So for my personal bag, I have the Alpa 35 Cotopaxi bag. And I got it in college, and it was really nice for like weekend trips, like to go home or whatever. So I ended up just bringing this with us on our year of travel, and it's been really good, really nice. The only thing is that it doesn't have like a sleeve on the back to attach to here. So I use this little carabiner to attach it to my suitcase, which is fine, but it works. It has a laptop pocket in the back, which is super nice. It's padded, so it keeps it safe. I keep all of my, the things I just need to get super quick and easy on like a train in the top pocket, like chargers, deodorant because it'd be really hot on those trains, and I sweat a lot, my hairbrush, like that kind of stuff. So, and in the middle, it still opens up like a suitcase kind of, so it opens up sideways, and you can also open it from the top, so it makes it easy to access everything. Okay,
and my bag is the Wandrd Provoke 31 liter pack. It's extremely convenient. This is also a wedding registry gift, so all of our bags basically come from the wedding registry. First, it has this nice little water bottle pocket. I used this for masks when we first started traveling, but now it's a good actual water bottle pocket because I don't need the quick access mask anymore. Masks. There's this really cool front pocket that's actually the whole length of this whole thing. I keep a journal and a pen and some other stuff in there. There's a roll down top, so these little magnetic things can connect, and then you can unroll the top. And you can actually fill it all the way to here, but I always try to keep it like minimal so you can fit it on an airplane seat, or just make it more compact in general. This little quick access pocket is where I keep all of my things that I need the most, like chargers and AirPods and a passport whenever we're crossing borders and things like that. And then for the main compartment, there is this big old pocket that makes it fold out completely flat like a pancake, like a suitcase. And this is where we keep all the camera gear and microphones and everything like that. There's also a nifty laptop sleeve where you can keep all of your laptops, and I have a Kindle as well in the pocket beneath of it, and all these little nifty pockets everywhere. So it is the ultimate backpack, the best backpack I've ever owned, and I have been completely satisfied with it. It also has this little quick draw side pocket where you can get your camera out of during the day, and it has a little secret back pocket beneath the suitcase strap to put it on your little handle suitcase where you can put all your important documents if you want. So overall, extremely satisfied, and it's super durable and it looks really nice.
So now for my Cotopaxi bag, like I said, this top front little pocket is where I like to keep all the things that I want to have easy access to on trains and stuff. So I have my bag of cords, so like my phone charger, laptop charger, headphones, and I have my toiletry bag. And there's also like sunglasses, hairbrush, sunscreen in there. And I also have a cute little bag of some stuff I've just kept from like train tickets. A lot of like flat paper things that I can keep and we can have for later. And then in the main section of my bag, I like to stick our day bag right in the middle. It's just a nice little spot for it. This has come so much in handy when we go explore cities. We put water bottles, camera, batteries, sunscreen, all that fun stuff in this bag, and it's just so easy to carry around and little, so we don't have to take one of our big bags. So the way this is set up, there's like 2 pockets up here. It's where I keep like my passport, ID, and that kind of stuff. And then in this pocket, I have some hygiene items, power strip, visor, undergarments, that kind of stuff. And then on this side, we just have a bunch of miscellaneous things like first aid kit, medicine bag, shower stuff, Ben's climbing shoes. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my away suitcase. I'm not going to go through every little thing I have in it. I'm just going to kind of show you how I organize it. So in this first pocket, it's like a zipper mesh pocket here. This is where I put my shoes, towel, coat, laundry bag, that kind of stuff. And then there's like a divider in the middle with a pocket. That's just where I keep my shower shoes because we stay in a lot of shared spaces like hostels and Airbnbs. And then on this side, I have my packing cubes, which I love packing cubes. Ben doesn't, but I think it keeps me organized. It's like my own little drawers in my suitcase. So I have all my clothes on this side. And what's really nice is that this divider kind of like compresses it down so you can buckle it and tighten it and basically like stuff it full and it'll still zip up.
Okay, so now we're gonna go through my away suitcase. Like Elena said, I do not like packing cubes. I feel like I can't fit as much in there because when it's just folded together, I can like fill all the crevices with socks and with underwear and stuff like that. So mine is a lot more unorganized than Elena's is, but I have all my clothes on one side, which is really nice, and I can just compress all the clothes down. And then on the other side, I have my tennis shoes, but sometimes I switch them out for my chacos, my toiletry bag, a towel, a rain jacket, a puffy jacket, and about half of this side is filled up with these big hiking waterproof boots, which I've only worn like twice so far. They're really nice, but we so far have not had a reason to take them. So still deciding if this is worth it or not. Like we said before, you can get a full packing list of everything we use and we'll put it in the description below. If you're keeping up with our journey, we're in Brussels right now, and so tomorrow we're gonna go on a chocolate tour, I think, a self-guided chocolate tour, and see a bunch of the attractions in the city. It looks like a really cool place, so we're excited to go visit.